Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to set image quality preference in Canva for high resolution designs. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Canva web application, which of course I've done right here. And then the next thing you'd want to do is to quickly head over to the Canva editor, or what I call the Canva editing suite. So I'm going to open up a design that I'm working on. Ta-da! This is my editor. Of course, it will look breathtaking, especially with the design that I'm working on. Hot. So all of my elements are going to load up, and once it does that, we're just going to get right into it. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection so that you can have a seamless work experience. Now here you go. So let's say I have tweaked and changed the designs and I am done with this design and I want to download it in the highest or in the best highest resolution or in the best quality. Okay, this is what I am going to do. Now head over to the top right corner. You're going to see the share option. So click on the share option. Once you do that, now you're going to have to click on download. So once you click on download, it's going to take you to the download window. Here you are. Now don't just hurry down to just go ahead and click on the download button. No. We're going to have to check for standard. All right, so how do you move it to the high resolution quality? All right, so here you have the file type. So go ahead and scroll down. You're now definitely going to find different resolutions. All right, so now you have JPG. Now JPG is saying it's best for sharing. Okay, image quality preference, JPG best for sharing is going to make it an image. Now remember, oh dude, no, you won't remember this because I did it in the previous tutorial. All right, so this design has a bit of animation, so I animated the text. That's why it has this video thing here. So if I get to choose any of this image options, all right, image quality options, then it's not going to be animated. Okay, so you can either choose JPG best for sharing or PNG best for complex images and illustrations, or you can choose PDF standard best for documents and emailing, PDF print best for print, and they have the SVG, which is only available to premium users, best for web design and animations. That's super quality. And of course you have MP4 video, all right, high quality video, all right, and this is suggested. So Canva always has this very beautiful way of suggesting the best quality for you, all right, and I always, not all the time, but I think I like to use the Canva suggestion. So right here for this design, MP4 video is just the best for this to get a high quality video. All right, so that is just it. So when you want to get your designs done, come over here to check the image quality preferences and choose the one that is best for your design. Now you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. Once you're done, you'll be good to go. Remember, click out once you're done with that option. All right, so here, remember, I'm going to download and choose from this drop down menu. So once you click that, now this is it. This is quality, but this is not available to you because it's for streaming. Now you can go ahead and click on save download settings if you want that, and then head over here to download, and this is going to be downloaded in best super quality as recommended by Canva. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.